Oh, wow, this is amazing. Prepare a watertight aquarium. Place several holiday houses at the bottom. Pour a generous amount of hydrogel beads available in gardening stores. Level them with your hand and add more holiday figurines. I used carousels, little people, and small Christmas trees. Then add another layer with the beads. Pour some water inside. See what happens. Suddenly, the figurines will start to emerge. Use your hand or a stick to stir the beads a bit. Those small bubbles are trapped air between the hydrogel beads and need to be released from the aquarium. Prepare a dark blue card, take white paint, and paint dots on it. Then attach it to the aquarium. Pour another batch of beads, level them. Prepare a Santa Claus on a sleigh figurine and place it on the beads. Cover it with another layer of hydrogel. Now, the best part. Start filling the aquarium with water. What's about to happen will look magical. A festive scene will gradually appear before our eyes. It looks incredible. Thanks to the beads, everything stays in place. Keep adding water because the magic happens at the very end. Santa Claus on a sleigh will literally fly over the town, all thanks to the hydrogel beads, which, when combined with water, become transparent. The figurines stay in place, creating a beautiful scene. If you have cotton at home, you can do another cute thing. Tear small pieces and form balls, then place them in the aquarium at different heights. Santa's sleigh will create the effect of clouds hovering over the town. Add a few around the sleigh and reindeer. It must be admitted that the whole thing looks adorable. It gives a 3D effect to the winter sky. Turn on the lights and you're done.
A simple trick to create a festive fireplace. Kids love it, and it will neatly complement your living room when made this way. Prepare 5 cardboard boxes. 2 boxes should be of the same size, serving as the sides of the fireplace. Use a flat cardboard as the base. Place 2 identical boxes on it. Insert a small box between them to serve as the firebox. Place another flat cardboard on top. This will be the fireplace mantle. Securely glue the cardboard pieces together using adhesive tape. All parts should be connected. Cover the fireplace with wallpaper. Cut each side from the wallpaper. I bought mine at a hardware store, opting for a self-adhesive white brick imitation on paper. Attach the first side of the fireplace. Smooth the veneer with your hand. Then, attach it to the front of the firebox, the base, and the sides. The wallpaper with a 3-dimensional texture will effectively hide unevenness and mistakes. Use marble-patterned foil to cover the top part of the fireplace. Measure a piece of the appropriate size and stick it on. Trim the corners with scissors so that they can be folded flat. Then attach a longitudinal piece to the front of the base. Line the firebox with black paper. Prepare a piece of cardboard with black construction paper and place it behind the Christmas tree. This will create the impression that the fireplace has a firebox and chimney. Take several sticks and tie them together with a rubber band or string to create a stack. Place it inside the fireplace. Next, prepare battery-powered LED candles. I chose 2 yellow ones and 1 red. Place them under the stack on the firebox. Finally, decorate the fireplace with Christmas ornaments. Hang a stocking for presents. This kind of fireplace looks beautiful, and kids love playing around it. It brings a festive atmosphere to your home at a minimal cost. What do you think? Would you place such a fireplace in your living room for Christmas? For less than $10, you can make a 1-meter Christmas tree. You only need a plastic office basket. Mine has a capacity of about 10 liters. Mine cost $5. It's important that it expands upwards. Also, prepare 6 wooden sticks. Each of them costs $1 and can be bought at a construction supermarket. They should be about 100 centimeters long. Turn the basket upside down. Attach the sticks to it using hot glue, making sure they are evenly spaced. If the basket has a rim, you can insert the ends of the sticks into it. When you glue them all, they should converge upwards to create a teepee shape. Connect them at the very top with hot glue. Prepare 3 Christmas chains. Dense and thick ones work best. I chose silver ones. I already had them at home from previous years. Starting from the base of the tree, begin to wrap them around, gluing them with hot glue to prevent them from sliding on the sticks. Wrap carefully, adding more chains. It's important not to leave any gaps. When the sticks are fully wrapped, a tree will be formed, but it's not the end. Attach a star ornament to the top. Take several Christmas baubles in different sizes. Attach them to the tree using hot glue at irregular intervals and heights. And there you have it. Making such a tree is childishly simple. Additionally, it costs next to nothing. It's almost a meter tall and beautifully decorates the house. The chains reflect the light beautifully.
Gigantic decoration for Christmas. It beautifully adorns the entrance of the house, terrace, or living room. All you need is ordinary cardboard and Christmas chains. For wrapping the Christmas gift, you will also need ribbon, preferably as wide as possible. I have silver chains and red ribbon. I wrapped the cardboard with stretch film because I want to be able to place this Christmas gift in front of the entrance to the house. This way, rain and snow won't dampen the cardboard and won't damage the Christmas decoration. Use hot glue to attach the beginning of the chain at the corner of the cardboard and wrap the cardboard from all 4 sides. Periodically, glue the chain to the foil. When the first chain runs out, take another one and continue the process. I have quite thick and dense chains, so wrapping the Christmas gift is quick. When all 4 sides are wrapped except for the bottom and top, start gluing the chain on top of the Christmas gift. We won't cover the bottom part because it will stand on the ground. On the top part of the Christmas gift, glue the chain next to each other. When you finish, the Christmas gift will be almost ready. Now, just take the ribbon and wrap it around the Christmas gift. Tie a bow in the middle of the Christmas gift. It's easiest to tie a large bow on your feet. Simply wrap the feet with ribbon twice and then tie the bow in the middle. And it's done. You can place such a Christmas gift at home by the fireplace, Christmas tree, or outside as a beautiful large decoration. The silver chains will reflect light and shimmer with all colors. It looks beautiful and captivates everyone who sees it. And it's so easy to prepare.